Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I am back. They've sat for a couple days, but I have my strings for necklaces. It came with the kit that I bought for the resin, so that is cool. I'm going to use that, but I am going to I have tools and other things. So I think I'm going to do I have little circles? Oh, I have a few. We'll see how. Oh, no, I do. I have a few little loops. So we'll see what I can do to put them on the chain. Yeah, anyway. But this will be probably fairly quick. I'm going to open it. Let's reveal the goodness. Comes out easy. Ooh, perfect. Oh, cute. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Let me put it closer. One necklace. Oh, I like that. That's super cute. Oh, super cute. Puzzle piece. I have glitter all over it, but that's okay. That's cute. A little just simple, glittered. I may do another one and make an earring out of this. So I'll probably just set some of them aside. Because that would be a cute earring. This would too. So I'll probably do another one and make earrings out of those. That'd be a cute necklace. So yeah, these will be earrings. Oh, nice. That is pretty. That's cute. Pretty. So the ones I'm not. Oh, you can sort of see the bears and the star. That's cute. Cute. Okay. So am I going to do the whole thing? No. Not all of them, but I'm going to make necklaces out of these 3. And the rest we'll figure out. I'm going to put them aside. So I can make earrings or out of the rest. They're not heavy. So those 3 are going to become necklaces. So get the string out. Three. See, can I? I'll just leave it like that because I can't open it. Let's see, first I'm going to try it one way, but I think that's going to shrink my. Yeah, that's not going to work anyway. So let's see what it comes with at the bottom of my bucket. La la la. I don't know if it comes with hooks because I wasn't. Oh, there's these. Oh yeah, that does. I needed these, not that. I'm going to take that out because I'm going to organize my little bucket. Perfect. Put my stuff back. Okay. Beautiful. Not that. Now that I have to reorganize my bucket, but that's okay. Since I have plenty of containers in here. So let's see what I need. Oh, keychains, earring backs. Everything's in bags. Let's do that. There we go. This is what I needed. That for earrings, but I'm not going to do the earrings now because I would only have one earring. So 3, my little container will come in. Whoop, way too many. There we go, 3. Now, so I need to hold this, open up the loop. I am not sturdy. I'm like moving all over the place. Just grab it. There we go. Let's see if that'll work. Is that too thick? It's too thick. Oh, I have them spilled all over the place, don't I? Okay, let's try this on a smaller one, maybe? Okay. Okay, those are way too small. Okay. Let's see what else I can do. Maybe these. Are these bigger? Oh, those are bigger. Let's just do that then. Okay, put that away. What did I do with it? Oh, haha, I put it in my container. Wow. There we go. Silver would probably go better, but I'm not worried about it. So let's try this again, shall we? Take the piece. Oh, much better, I think. Not working. The thing's huge. Oh, I probably can, you know what? That one will fit if I just do that. Maybe not. Nope. I have other wire and stuff, but this would be. Oh, there we go. So then I can put it on here. Let's see if it'll work. It's still too small. Let's see. It's not going to move at all, is it? Dang it. Guess the problem is putting it on. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh. Well, these are for earrings. I have, I don't know if that'll work. Put that back in. Choices, I think I have. Wire. If I can find the beginning. There we go. Okay. Jeez, look, I made a mess of this. I will not need that much, that's for sure. Okay. Try this. See? That'll be good. Like that. So I'm going to cut another piece off. Where's the... little beads in here that I can smosh. Smosh. And they're everywhere. There we go, 3 of those. So, let's see if I can do this. One side in. Need both in. And it's gone. Why did it disappear? Oh, no, it's down there. Jeez. Okay. So now I have a little loop. And I crimped it. There we go. One. Here we go. Cute little necklace. There we go. So one. It's fun dropping them, right? Oh. It's like stuck in the grooves. There we go. Okay. See if I can get this one's bent. Whoa, you got it. Then it falls. There we go. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. I'll take it. Crimp it. And then cut it. Why won't this cut? There we go. Tips. Two. Okay, great. Let's make, haha, fixed it. No, nothing like getting distracted. Say drop it. Oh. Okay. Just need a bit more. And get one in there. Oh, I don't want to lose it. Okay, there we go. Nope, I missed again. Oh, that was close. Here we go. Bigger loop. Doesn't matter. That way it will sit right. That's the back, that's the front. Clean that off. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me on part 2. I have 3 little necklaces. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on mostly Saturdays, sometimes Tuesdays. Who knows? Just depends on what I feel like. And that's it. I will see you all next time. Toodaloo.